Hello everyone, this is John from Homeneer.com. In this video I will attempt to increase my tire pressure with the bicycle floor pump. This one was around 10 euros in the supermarket. It has a pressure gauge on it, but I don't think it's very accurate. So this floor pump comes with fittings for two valve types. This one fits into the car valve and this one is for some bicycle valves. So let's try and hook this up and see if we can add some pressure. I will also be using a digital pressure gauge to check the pressure. So let's first go ahead and use the pressure gauge to check the pressure. So we are now at 2.35 bar or 34 psi. So here on the pressure gauge it's showing maybe 20, so a lot less. Okay, when we started it was showing 20 and now it's somewhat over 20, but it's very inaccurate. Maybe it's closer to 30 psi, a bit under. So let's see what this pressure gauge is showing. So it's showing 43 psi. So at least we did get quite a bit of air in it, but we also know that the bike pump is very inaccurate. So this is already too much. I was aiming for 2.5 bar, so I need to take quite a bit of air out. That's 2.55 bar and 37.5 psi. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with that. We are able to add pressure with the floor pump, and it does it actually fairly quickly, but it's the pressure gauge on here is very inaccurate, so don't trust that, but use a different pressure gauge. But anyhow, this is a very inexpensive way to add pressure to your tires. You don't need a compressor to accomplish that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for